Hello students, how are you all? Welcome to our virtual class. Today in our math class we are in chapter 5, that is multiplication, and today we are going to solve word problems which is given in our textbook from page number 79. Okay, and I have written here the question already. Now let's read the question. Okay, there are 5 sections in class 1. How many sections? 5 sections. Each section has 32 students. Means in one section there are 32 students. But total number of section is 5. How many students are there all together? Means we have to find out the total number of students in total 5 sections. As it is given, the number of students in one section is 32 and number of total number of sections is 5. As I told you that before we solve the word problem, we need to identify given statement. We need to identify what is asked us to find out and the operation that we are going to use while solving the word problems, isn't it? So which is the given statement? There are 5 sections in class 1 and each section has 32 students. These two statements are given statements. And what is asked us? How many students are there all together? Means how many students in total 5 sections? This is asked here. Okay. So let us start to solve this word problem. Number of students in one section is 32. Let us start from here. Number of students in one section. (32), isn't it? Number of students in one section, that is 32. And total number of section is 5. Okay, number of sections, that is total number of section is 5. But also it is asked us the number of students in 5 section, isn't it? So number of students in 5 sections. Okay, this is asked. This is number of students in 5 sections. This is what? Okay, how can we find out? As you know that multiplication is the repeated addition of same number, isn't it? That means if you add like 32 in one section plus 32 in another section plus 32 in another section, this will be very quite long process. So here we are going to use operation multiplication here, isn't it? So that we can find answer quickly, isn't it? So number of students in 5 section is what that is asked us to find out. Okay, and the operation, which operation that we are going to use? Of course we are going to use multiplication operation. Okay, so let us write number of students in 5 sections. Means if we multiply 32 by 5, then we will get the answer. Let us multiply. You know to multiply the numbers very well, isn't it? If you multiply, then what will you get? 5 2s are 10, 1 carry over, 5 3s are 15, plus 1 16. Okay, 160. The product is 160. Now can you give the conclusion? Yes, You can give conclusion now. Now there are conclusion. This is conclusion, okay? There are 160 students in 5, how many sections? 5 sections. This is the conclusion. Now, when we give conclusion, then we have solved the word problem, okay? So, can we go in next number? Okay, let's go to another question number, that is question number B, okay? There are 45 apples in 1 carrot. How many apples would be there in 8 such carrots? Okay, again the process is same here. There are 45 apples in 1 carrot. How many apples? This is the given statement, isn't it? In 1 carrot, number of apples is 45. Now we have to find out the number of apples in 8 carrot, isn't it? So let us start to solve. How many apples? This is asked us. Okay. Number of apples in 1 carrot. Number of apples into 1 carrot? 45. Now what is asked us? Number of apples in 8 carrot, isn't it? Number of apples in 8 carrot. This is asked us. How can we find this? Of course, we have to multiply 45 by 8 so that we can get the total number of apples in 8 carrot. You might be thinking that in 1 carrot there are 45 apples in 1 carrot. Again, if you add another 45 for another carrot, this would be very quite long process. So let's not do this. We can do multiplication, isn't it? So here we are going to use operation. Which operation? Multiplication. And which number that we are going to multiply? We are going to multiply number of apples in 1 carrot by total number of carrots. Okay, that is 8, which is asked us to find out. Now let us multiply. 8 5s are 40. 4 carry over. 8 times of 5, it is 40. That is why write down 0 here and 4 carry over there. Now 8 4s are 8 times of 4, that is 32. 8 32 plus 4, 8 this. 4 is the carryover. So what is the sum? 32 plus 4, that is 36. Write down 36 here. 360 is the product, isn't it? That is the total number of apples in how many carrot? 8 carrot. So now it's time to write the conclusion. Okay, there are 360 apples in 8 carrot in 8th grade. Okay, yes, this is the conclusion. There are 360 apples in 8 carrot. Okay, so this is our conclusion. By this we have solved these word problems. Okay, actually we have 6 questions in this exercise. We have 6 questions. You can try other question yourself. Okay, in our coming class we will solve some more questions from this word problem. So for today only this much. Bye bye all of you.